You want a drink now?
Tick.
A drink?
Tick. Tick.
A tick?
No.
Well, what then?
A tick.
A drink?
Mm.
You want a drink?
Mm.
What do you want to drink?
A dick.
You want a drink of coffee?
Ha.
Coffee?
Ha.
Say coffee.
Mm.
Coffee.
Is it coffee?
Coffee?
Area is a high traffic flow area. We have the barbecue, we've got the stairs, but we also need to incorporate a dining area. So I went with this really cool table where you can sit and dine at it. But when you're not dining, for ease of moving from place to place, you just put this down, and all of the chairs tuck neatly underneath the table.
Alright, these are our granite boulders, and they're the same style that we have
Sophie, look.
the retaining wall back here. And we're going to actually use these to border around the fire pit. Stay with the whole circle theme. We're going to fill in all the little cracks with some river rock, tie the whole thing together, and it's going to give that really nice campfire feel.
Say love you, Sophie.
Happy Sophie.